Are you a part of the family? How would you act if you were royalty? Growing up a citizen of a British overseas territory, I spent my share of years hearing the nightly broadcast go off playing God Bless the Queen. Y'all, that was back in the day before TV was 24/7 like it is now. I enjoyed watching the dynamics of the British royal family, and while all the fanfare may have shifted to the boys now, right? I've always been a fan of the late Princess Diana. When I think about royalty, I think of her. She was graceful, kind, giving, and with a desire to serve and love others. She was given authority and power, and she harnessed it in a way to heal and make the lives of others better and make them whole. Luke 17:21 says, "See here or see there, for indeed the kingdom of God is within you." As believers, we are citizens of the best kingdom of all. But do we have a kingdom mindset that we can be, do, and have all that God intended for us? While the Pharisees waited for a kingdom on earth, we are reminded that the kingdom of God isn't a physical location, but a spiritual kingdom within each of us who submit to God. So the next time you feel inferior, unworthy, unqualified, remember you are royalty and you can walk in it to the fullest kingdom authority. Thanks for joining me for 1 Minute on Purpose.